most entrepreneurs can't actually get a hold of business funding to scale, grow their business. They want to run ads, they want to invest in course, they want to hire, but they simply can't. And the real problem is the fact that their credit score is actually the one thing that's holding them back.
In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to run the Navy Federal Pledge Loan Play. Say that 5 times fast. It's a great way to increase your credit score, add more age and mix to your personal credit, and also it's the first step when it comes to getting funding for your business. We've helped hundreds of business owners secure up to $50,000 to $150,000 in business funding, and for some of them it started with just improving their credit. If you're ready to learn exactly how to improve your credit using the Navy Federal Pledge Loan Play, stay tuned and we're going to walk you through the entire process.
Hey, I'm Susy. This is Austin. We're full-time parents, full-time business owners, Bible believers, and in this channel we help you access business funding.
What else do we talk about in this channel?
We talk about how to grow, scale, start your business using business funding.
So if you're interested in that, check out some of the other videos on our channel. So getting right to it, right here is the insider move. With the Navy Federal Pledge Loan Play, you can literally use your own money to create a new trade line for yourself and add credit mix and boost your profile, right? Yep. And so it's low risk. It reports like a paid loan or installment loan, right?
Yep.
And it starts building history right away, which is exactly what lenders want to see before they give you big lines of credit. And so if you need to fix your credit score, the Navy Federal Pledge Loan Play is great. And we're going to show you exactly how to do it, all the different steps right now. Hey, if you're ready to access capital and get funding approvals like these for your business, go ahead and click the link in the description and apply to work with us. We'll be excited to walk you through the process and see if we can help you get the funding that you need. All right. Let's get back to the video. All right. And so in order for you to bring this play to fruition, in order for you to actually run the play, we're going to go over these 5 steps in this video. And by the time we get to the 5th step, you should know exactly how to do it. Yep. So first steps first, before you can run the Navy Federal Credit Union, Navy Federal Pledge Loan Play, say it 5 times fast, you first have to get into Navy Federal. That's step number 1, right?
Yep. And so pretty much how you get in is you have a family member or friend who allows you to get in with their access number. There's plenty of videos on the web on how to do it, so go ahead and watch them. Number 2, you want to deposit the exact amount that you want this pledge loan to be for, okay?
Yes.
So you're going to actually put down, I think the minimum is $200 and it could go all the way up to, there is no limit.
Yes.
You know, so let's say you deposit $1,000 and they
into a checking or a savings account?
Into a savings account.
Okay.
Okay. And so from there, you request the pledge loan based on the amount that you deposit on that savings account.
Okay. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. All right. And so we request a pledge loan on the amounts. And so honestly, the pledge loan, we're using that account as collateral. Is that correct?
Exactly. Yeah. So
that's step number 3.
Yeah. So you're pretty much manufacturing your own loan with your own savings.
Okay. So far, first you need to get in the Navy Federal Credit Union. If you need to figure that out, we'll put some cards and some links in the description to some good videos that give a lot of tips on that. The second, like you mentioned, is deposit the amount you want to pledge into a savings account.
Yep. The
third step is request a pledge loan using that account as collateral, right? Okay. Now this is where, so far this seems really normal, but here's where the play part comes into the Navy Federal Pledge Loan Play. And it has to do with how you make your payments, right? Yep.
So essentially, you want to wait for that loan to report to your credit report first, okay? So it might take 30 days, usually, is when they start reporting. So once you see it hit your report, what you're going to do is you're going to pay off 90% of that loan. Okay. So I know it sounds crazy, but you're going to pay that 90% off. And then obviously there's going to be that 10% that's left, okay?
Yes.
That 10%, you're going to spread that for 12, 24 months, however long you want it to be. Honestly, the longer the better, because that's how you establish more credit with the bank, and then also with your credit.
Yes. Okay. That makes a lot of sense.
So that's the play itself. Pay 90% of it, and then that 10% spread it off in 12, 24 months.
And what's the advantage of that?
you build more history. There's more revolving credit added to your credit report, not just credit cards, but now you have a loan.
Yeah.
And once it starts reporting, it reports like a loan. It doesn't say like, oh, it's a pledge loan, like it's a fake loan or anything. Like it reports just like if you went to, Wells Fargo and got a personal loan. It's the same way.
Nice. Okay. And that right there is in step 5, obviously, is once you pay off that loan, your original deposit is released back to you.
Exactly.
Now, a lot of people have done something like this, similar to like with self-lender, right? You can go ahead and get yourself, and it's a personal loan for yourself. You pay it piece by piece, but this one's a little bit different. And obviously, Navy Federal, they've allowed a lot more people into the banks, but they've also tightened up a little bit on restrictions. But this play is still alive and well, and it's still something that we recommend. I think one of our clients recently ran this play, right?
Yeah. So
which one was it?
Nick, he's one of our more younger clients in the sense that his credit is a little bit young. And so this works really well for people who...
I thought you was talking about age. I'm like, whoa, we not old. Not even close.
Well,
we mean younger.
he's pretty young too. He's
credit
like 23.
That's like less than 10 years.
I know, but in credit age, that's young.
Sure. Okay.
And so if you're in that age range, or you're just someone who's never really established any type of credit, this works really well because it adds mixture to your credit, right? Now you have a loan reporting, not just 3 credit cards. Okay. And if you don't have a lot of age, this also is going to help you at age, hence, dispersing that 10% over that 12-month or 24-month period.
Yeah.
And then you build, a good reputation with Navy Fed. After you pay that loan off, I promise you, you're going to start getting more offers from them, and they're going to be more willing to lend out to you because you've shown proof that, hey, like we want to bank with you, and we've already paid back our loan that we got.
Nice. No, that makes perfect sense. And honestly, I know this video could be hours long, but there's so many different nuances. Obviously, a lot of people are just struggling to even get into Navy Federal. And so because of that, we wanted to help. We created a resource. We have a free PDF that goes through all of these 5 steps in detail with links to even videos and different recommendations that we can give when it comes to getting in Navy Federal and using this Navy Federal pledge loan play. If you're interested in that, PDF looks like this. You can go ahead and click the link below and join our community. And once you're in the community, it's completely free. There's no paywall or anything like that. You can access this this PDF completely for free and use it. And then also in the community, you can ask questions and see if you can get any, if you need any further assistance, right? And so we're hoping that's super helpful. We're hoping that this helps you a ton. If you're thinking about getting business credit cards or growing, or maybe you're even thinking about getting the Navy Federal Go Biz credit card, we made a good video about that right here. I suggest you click in and check it out. Outside of that, if you're looking for business funding, you can use to work with us. All you got to do is click the link in the description and we'll be happy to help you. But with that said, we love you guys. Thanks for sticking around this video, and we'll see you in the next one.